Season's greetings. So I've wanted to start offering one-on-one mentoring or small group live workshops for quite some time, but I haven't had time to build the landing page or microsite myself. Luckily for me, DreamHost is currently running an offer where if you sign up for a year of hosting or longer, they will build your website for you for free. So this site I'm showing you right now, weekends.learnwebcode.com, I didn't build this at all. It was built for me. I just sent over a few sentences of what I wanted, a picture of myself, and they did the rest. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I did this and how you can do the same thing for your business. Huge thank you to DreamHost for this collaboration, and just for full transparency, if you use my link to DreamHost, I will receive compensation for sending new users their way. Now, let's get into the action. So here we are on the official DreamHost website. We're going to go ahead and click Get Started. There are a few different hosting plans to choose between, but right away I can let you know that the most affordable plan lets you have 25 different websites, so it's more than enough. So in terms of keeping things affordable when you're getting started, I definitely recommend the most affordable plan. However, the longer of a duration of plan you sign up for, the more savings can come your way. So if we choose like 2 years, it goes down to this. I'm saying this instead of saying the prices out loud because when you're watching this video, prices might have fluctuated slightly. But you can see you can get quite a good deal if you commit to 4 years versus monthly or just 1 year. So on the most affordable plan, I'll go ahead and click sign up now. You also get a free domain bundled when you sign up for 1 year or longer. But with the yearly plan selected, I'll just choose a domain later. That's going to create a temporary dreamhosters.com domain for me because that way I can choose my domain later. Maybe right now I don't want the pressure of committing to a certain .com domain. I can make that decision later, no problem. And then from here, just go ahead and enter your payment info and move forward. And just to let you know, when you're signing up, you don't need to include the Dream Shield Protect for $3 a month. You can uncheck that if you want. And then in terms of email, if you do indeed know for a fact that you're going to want like your name at your.com, you can leave the free trial and then it upgrades to $20 a year. But if you know for a fact that you're not going to want that, feel free absolutely to uncheck that. You can always add email onto your account later on at a future date, so it's perfectly fine to leave it unchecked for now. It'll then ask you to create a new password for your account, and after that, you'll be into your dashboard, which will look something like this. From the dashboard, we're interested in this very first call out here that says, we'll build your website free. So you're just one click away from starting the process of having DreamHost set up your site for you. So I'll go ahead and click this Claim Your Free Site button. Okay, from this next screen, we can scroll down until we see the form that we need to start filling out. So your info, what domain would you like to use? Obviously yours is going to be different than mine. You might have registered your real.com domain, but I'm just going to use this temporary placeholder domain for myself. For business name, I'll say Learn Web Code Workshops. What best describes your business? Between these different options, choose the one that makes the most sense for you, but for me, I'm going to choose not listed, right? I'm offering educational services or coaching. Okay, let's scroll down to website info. Do you have an existing business listing? So this field is optional. You might not already have a different website or a Google review or a Yelp review page, so you don't need to put anything in this field. If you do enter a URL in this field, it'll just help automatically fill in the rest of the form, but I'm going to manually fill in the form. I won't bore you by typing it in on camera, but I just pasted in a quick blurb, so I'm just spelling out, I've taught over this many students. I teach WordPress, CSS, and JavaScript, and that I want to advertise 2 services. Number 1, one-on-one mentoring, and number 2, small group live workshops. And then, again, I'm not going to bore you with it, but I'm just explaining how the one-on-one mentoring will work and the pricing, so on and so forth. And then I'm describing that for the live small group workshops, they're not done yet, but I'm working on the curriculum, and I want to have a contact form where users can give me their name, their email, and tell me which class or workshop they're interested in. Either the WordPress workshop, Tailwind workshop, or a React workshop. So that field is complete. Moving on, do I want a single page or multi-page site? I just want a single page site. I think all this information can fit on one nice, homepage or landing page. I don't need any separate pages. What should we do with any existing content on your site? I'll say replace the content on my site and make the new version live. What contact info do I want? I'll say none. Okay, moving on, we get to pick which color I would want. The choice is up to you, but I'm going to go with blue. I think that establishes trust and it's a nice, safe choice. For this field, I don't have a logo, but I will upload a quick picture of myself. So I'll just drag and drop this file onto that area. Okay, cool. And then down here under additional info, I'll say, please feel free to use stock photos of laptops or keyboards or computer screens with code on them from Unsplash, etc. Okay, I'm happy with all the info I added, so I'm going to go ahead and click submit down here in the bottom right corner. Submit. Perfect. Beautiful. So my request was received, and now I should just need to wait, 1 to 2 days. So now we wait. Okay, it's been 2 days, 1 business day, and they just sent me an email with this link. This is looking really good to me. It's calling out my mentoring. Keep scrolling. It's showing a small group live workshops coming soon. It's got a few testimonials. I don't want testimonials because I haven't ran these services yet. So those would obviously be fake testimonials. But this contact form looks great. This is exactly, precisely what I asked for in my text description. Let me show you how you can log in to the WordPress admin ownership of the website. So from your dashboard, you'll click Manage Websites, and then you see that little W icon I just clicked on that takes me into the dashboard. Click on Pages, click on your home page, and I'm just showing you really quick how I could go in and remove those testimonials. So I liked all of the sections on my page. I didn't like the testimonials. Now, I could have just replied to the email from DreamHost and asked them to remove this section. You're allowed to make 1 round of edits within reason, and they'll just do it for you. But I thought I could show you if it's something this easy. It's literally just as fast for me to just do it myself instead of sending them that email. But I deleted the testimonials. Now I'm trying to show you how I would still want the background color to alternate. So throughout my website, it's alternating between this like off gray or beige and then white. So I don't want, because I removed the entire testimonial section, you can see I had to switch the workshops to have a white background. So it's alternating, like zebra stripes, like every other, even odd. And then since the entire area is using a white background, I want this form area to be beige, just like that. So it stands out, and this is looking good. Let me go preview it, see what it looks like. Yep, it's looking good, except now the footer, because that testimonials is a white area, the footer has a white background area. I want the footer to sort of look different from that bottom area. So really quick, I just make the footer have that beige or off gray background color. So I'll just click edit. You can't do it directly because the footer is a reusable component or a block pattern. So I click edit, and now this will affect every instance of, if it was used elsewhere on my website, but I'm just going to select that group and then pull open the right-hand sidebar and just change the styling, the background color to, yep, you guessed it, that beige color. So now if I go back and I refresh, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. But what about you and your website for your business? You can follow these exact same steps. You just sign up at DreamHost for a 1-year plan or longer, and the free website build is automatically bundled in your account. So these same steps I just showed you, you can perform them step by step for your business and your website. You can find the link to DreamHost in the description for this video. And just to draw your attention, I'm actually not sure how long this offer is going to be around. I'm not just saying that to increase a sense of urgency or a marketing tactic. It literally is being called the holiday sale. And I know I've been using DreamHost for the last 20 years. I've never seen this offer before where they build your site for you. So not just trying to artificially or fakely generate a sense of urgency. I really don't know how long this offer will be around. So to me, if you have a small business and you're wanting to create a website, you really can't beat this deal. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. And until the next time, take care.